The golden spice, turmeric, and how it can help you feel better. Curcuma longa, which is what turmeric is officially called, is a bright, golden spice that has been loved for hundreds of years for its health benefits. It is a main ingredient in Indian and Southeast Asian food, and traditional treatment methods like Ayurveda have used it because it might be good for your health. Turmeric has become famous around the world in recent years for its healing qualities, especially as a main ingredient in many home remedy drinks. This video talks about the background, properties, and possible health benefits of turmeric. It also includes some drink recipes that use turmeric's healing properties. A long history. The first time turmeric was grown was in India more than 4,000 years ago. This plant is very important to Indian society, both as a food spice and as a sign of wealth and purity. Over time, people learned that turmeric could help with health problems, and it became an important part of Ayurvedic treatment. Curcumin, which is its main ingredient, is what makes it good for you. Curcumin can help with many health problems because it is a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, things that make turmeric unique. The curcumin in turmeric gives it its unique yellow color. This polyphenol is what gives the spice its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Because of these qualities, turmeric may be able to help with a number of health problems such as arthritis, stomach problems, skin issues, and even some long-term conditions. Turmeric drinks made at home as remedies. Recipe 1. Turmeric tea, also known as golden tea. Ingredients: 1 cup milk or something besides milk, 1/2 of teaspoon turmeric powder, a little black pepper, a little honey or maple syrup to make it sweet. Process: put the milk in a pot and heat it up. Then add the sweetener, turmeric, and black pepper. Mix it well and let it cook for a few minutes. Enjoy this soothing drink because it might help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Recipe 2. Infusion of ginger and turmeric. What you need: 1 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon fresh ginger grate, an extra squeeze of lemon. Step 1. Bring the water to a boil and add the ginger and turmeric. Put it away for 5 to 10 minutes to steep. Add lemon to make it taste better and give it more vitamin C. For people with digestive problems or light colds, this infusion can be very soothing. Recipe 3. Turmeric smoothie. What you need: 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup yogurt or something dairy-free, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a handful of kale or spinach, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Method: mix everything together until it's smooth. This drink is a healthy way to add turmeric to your diet, which is good for your health in general. Possible health benefits. People think that turmeric is good for you in many ways, but more study is needed to confirm some of these claims. Some of these perks are: anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been shown to lower inflammation, which could help people with arthritis and other diseases. Antioxidant effects. Turmeric can get rid of dangerous free radicals in the body, which may lower the risk of getting chronic diseases. Stomach aid. Some people use turmeric to help their gut stay healthy and ease stomach pain. Skin health. Because turmeric reduces inflammation, it can help skin problems like acne and psoriasis. Immune support. Its antioxidant features make it possible for it to help the immune system. Turmeric is an interesting spice that has a long past, a bright color, and many possible health benefits. Adding it to homemade drinks like smoothies, ginger extract, or turmeric tea can be a soothing and healthy way to heal at home. Even though turmeric is usually safe to eat, you should still talk to a doctor before doing so, especially if you have specific health concerns or want to use it as a medicine. Whether used as a medicine or an ingredient in food, turmeric, the golden spice, continues to fascinate people around the world with its timeless appeal and possible health-promoting properties. How often can I drink these things? The amount of time you can drink drinks with turmeric in them relies on your health, tolerance, and food preferences. Here are some general rules about drinking drinks with turmeric in them. Turmeric tea or infusion. You can drink turmeric tea or infusion every day if you want to. These drinks are light, and drinking them regularly can help you feel better and calm down. But if you've never eaten turmeric before, start with a small amount and slowly increase it to see how your body responds. The second recipe is a turmeric drink, which you can have a few times a week or even every day if you like them. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is easy with these foods. To make sure you're getting all the nutrients you need, pay attention to both the balance of your food and the ingredients in your smoothie. Think about your health and goals. When deciding how often to consume, you should also think about your health goals and any health problems you already have. If you're using drinks with turmeric to treat a specific problem, like arthritis or stomach issues, you might feel better if you drink them more often. In this situation, it's best to talk to a medical worker about the right dose and how often to take it. Pay attention to your body. Everyone's body behaves differently, and turmeric may be too strong for some people. Should you experience any negative effects like stomach pain or allergies, cut back or stop using it and talk to a medical professional. Proportion. Turmeric may be good for you, but it's important to use it in proportion. When people eat too much turmeric, it may cause stomach problems in some people. It is important to eat a balanced diet that gets its nutrients from a range of sources. Combine with black pepper. If you want to use turmeric for its possible health benefits, you might want to mix it with a little black pepper. Piperine, which is found in black pepper, can help the body absorb curcumin, which is the main ingredient in turmeric. To each their own, turmeric can have a strong taste that some people don't like. Make changes to the amount to fit your own tastes. You can drink turmeric-based drinks on a daily basis, but how often and how much you drink should depend on your health, preferences, and goals. It's a good idea to talk to a doctor or nurse before using turmeric as a treatment for a specific condition or if you have specific health worries. Can kids use it too, and how often? When used in small amounts as a spice in food or in drinks with turmeric, turmeric is usually safe for kids. But it's important to think about a few things before giving turmeric to kids, like their age, health, and any specific dietary or health issues they may have. Here are some rules about how much turmeric kids should eat. Age. When a kid starts eating solid foods, they can start eating turmeric. Usually it's fine for kids of all ages, but you should be careful when giving it to babies. If you're worried, you should talk to a doctor. As for the amount, start with small amounts of turmeric for kids and see how they behave. The taste is sometimes very strong, and some kids might not like it. It's better to start with a small amount and slowly add more as the child gets used to the taste. Frequency. Kids can eat or drink things with turmeric a few times a week or as part of a healthy diet. The regularity doesn't have to be a certain number, but it's best to use it in moderation. You don't have to give it to them every day, and it's important for their food to be varied. Health conditions. Before giving your child turmeric, you should talk to a pediatrician or other healthcare source if they have any allergies or health problems. It's very important to keep kids safe because some may be sensitive to or allergic to certain spices. When you're making drinks with turmeric or adding it to kids' foods, watch out for the other ingredients. Don't use too many herbs, as they might be too strong for their taste. Avoid sweeteners. If you're making turmeric drinks for kids, you could use natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to make the taste more appealing. Listen to your child. Pay attention to what your child wants and if they show any signs of being uncomfortable. If they don't like the taste or have stomach problems, you might want to change the amount or how often they eat it. To sum up, a child can eat some turmeric as long as it is not too much, and their age, taste preferences, and health needs are taken into account. A balanced and varied diet can include it, but it's always a good idea to talk to a doctor or pediatrician before adding new foods or spices to your child's diet, especially if you have any worries.